welcome back to my channel, Flower Takes on Korea. Today I'm really excited to share this super cool place with you guys. Did you know that Korea is literally one of the top tech hubs in the whole of Asia? And today I'm going to tell you about this very cool place. Right, I'm going to take you on a tour now of this area. Due to Corona, it actually has closed down and not all the facilities are open, but I am going to show you around the different buildings. And when it does open again, be sure to come and check it out because it really has some amazing technology that will be developed in the next few years. Let's go! Are you interested in learning how to fly a drone? Then you guys need to come to this area in Robotland. This is the outside field area, as you can see, where you will basically learn how to fly a drone. You can see there's tons of space, which makes it a really great area to learn how to fly a drone. And this is one of the major kind of projects here at Roboland. It's developing different kinds of drones.
If you are looking for a fun and interactive zone in the area, I highly recommend you come to Robot Playzone. It's a great place to bring children where they can experience a variety of activities. Please note it is closed on a Sunday, today, and a Monday, but be sure to check the website for updates.
As I mentioned, guys, Korea is investing tons of money in drone technology. This is a really interesting little map that we found. It basically shows all the areas of life in Korea where they would like to infiltrate drone technology. It's really interesting. So you can see they want to put drones in the medical field. They want to put drones in the broadcasting field. They want to put drones in the tourism industry. Every industry in Korea, they're wanting to use drone technology to help obviously make things more efficient and to make things safer. Again, I'd love to know your thoughts on this. Do you think drone technology is something worth investing in? Do you think drone technology has potential to be helpful for humans as well? I'd love to know in the comments. Okay, we have come to the end of my tour of Robot World. I hope you enjoyed it. Behind me is what they are hoping to create in the next few years. Come and check it out. As you can see, they're planning on making a massive robot village here with theme parks, with different areas for drones, for robots, for AI technology. So I think it's going to be really interesting where Korea goes in the next few years with technology. I'd love to know in the comments what you guys think about Korean technology. Do you think it would be good to have AI and robots in Korea? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.